Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can enable two-step verification on Kakaotalk application. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First thing first, you need to open Kakaotalk application on your device. Then you need to tap on the setting at the top right corner. From there, you need to tap on General Settings. And then you need to tap on Kakao account. So guys, it will bring you here. From here, you will need to scroll down a bit, protect your account. Under protect your account, you will see two-step verification. You need to tap on that one and it will bring you here. You need to enter your password to access to the settings. So I will enter the password first. So guys, once you enter the password, all you need to do is to tap on confirm. So it will bring you here. They say two-step verification provides stronger security to your Kakao account. So these are the steps that we will follow. All you need to do is to tap on get started. So guys, once you tap on get started, as you can see, you will see set up Kakao account two-step verification. You can Kakao account or you can choose phone number as well. So here, if you choose your Kakaotalk account, they say that this is the phone number and this is the device. And if you want to use the phone number, if you tap, your phone number hasn't been added. So here I will choose Kakaotalk and from here I will tap on next. They say add a backup email. So there is one email that you added when you were creating an account, but now you can add a backup email as well here. So I will add an email here. So guys, once you enter the email, you need to verify that email first. So once you tap on verify, they will send an email with a code and you need to enter that code here. So I will get the code from my inbox and then I will show you. So guys, as you can see, I received this code. I will copy this one and paste it here. So once you do that, you need to tap on confirm. So once you tap on confirm, they say add a backup email. As you can see, it has been added and now I will tap on next. So now, as you can see, two-step verification has set up. These are the two-step verification. I have the phone number and I have a backup email that if I cannot access to my phone, they will send me a code here and I can access. And now all you need to do is to tap on confirm. And they say stay logged in, yes, or you want to log out from other devices. It depends on you. So I will stay logged in and once you tap on confirm, here, if you go down and your two-step verification is on now. So guys, this is how you can enable two-step verification on Kakaotalk application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.